looking up here because the camera's up here. I got one more tool review, and this thing I haven't. It's not really a tool. It's going to be a tool, but I bought these things so I can make the tool. So hopefully you'll watch this video and I'll let you guess what I'm making. If anybody can guess what I'm making with these, it's actually something. And I'm not keeping it either after I'm done making it. I bought a whole bunch of. Maybe, I don't even know if they're the right size, but bought a whole bunch of. Apparently, I bought a whole bunch of baggies of stuff. Okay, that's just a. Anyway, in each baggie, there's nothing illegal in these baggies, for instance. Nothing illegal, just a. Got a whole bunch of these things. Knobs. Little knobs. I wanted to see if I got the right size. So just put this here. That size. Put it in there. There is apparently a whole bunch of sizes in here. This size, even though I think I bought the wrong kind. You know what, now I think of it. Maybe I bought the wrong kind of knob. Oh boy. Got this, there's, know what I dingbat. So anyway, there's this size. I'll find a use for them. This size, and know what I just, oh my god, I just realized what I did. I bought the right thing, I bought the wrong one. Wrong one. But it's okay. We'll figure this crap out. But 3 different sizes. 1, 2, 3 apparently. Maybe there's 4. The thing I was supposed to buy, which I guess maybe I had the wrong one. It was supposed to be the knobs that you tighten down. Not. It was supposed to be the plastic end that you tighten on the bolt, not the plastic end with the bolt attached. If that makes any sense. So, hold on. Maybe I can get these out of here. So anyway, that's that's my story. The stuff I learned on camera. Yeah. Okay, Chris. I can't complain though. It was a $16 purchase. It's not the end of the world. Anybody needs some knobs, I'll send you some free. Knob. So anyway, that's learning curve number 24. Comes with all nuts and bolts. All the doodads. Go on Amazon, you can find them real cheap. I will order the right ones and work on figuring. I'll probably still work on the gadget I'm making with these knobs, and then I'll just order the correct knobs, or maybe I try to make my own. I don't know. Yeah, actually, I could try to make my own. I'm not a machinist. I have some machinist tools, but I'm not a machinist. So anyway, this video is a complete. It says Hammeneller 30 sets M. Rue Knob Star. Knobs new, made in China. What do you make? Can anybody make some knob out of this knob stuff? I don't know. Anyway, that was knob very fun. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll get back to this mystery at a later date.